Once you have the seat into the vehicle, you are going to route the latch belt. In order to remove the latch belt from storage, you're going to push the red button to release it. You can set it into the seat just like that for now, and then repeat on the other side the same thing. Okay. You're then going to lengthen your lower anchor belt so that you have full length to work with. To loosen it, you press the metal bar and you pull on the bottom belt, and then you're going to poke it out the side of the belt path, and you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side as well. Press the metal bar, pull on the bottom belt to loosen it, and then put it out through the belt path.